everyone, glad to have you back with me. This is Anita White, we love your art, and yes, we're here with another video, guys. This time we have a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and we have a light gray base that has been made using Blickrylic titanium white along with the Blickrylic Mars black. And we're going to do a Dutch pour on this. I have laid out the foundational color. I'm going to pop air bubbles and look for any uninvited guests. You always want to begin with a flawless foundation as much as possible. And that means we look for any uninvited guests, any foreign debris, any dried paint, Floetrol, anything that could interfere. And we get it out immediately because we don't want to have anything to disrupt the outcome of our design. Don't know if that's something there. It looked like it was, but it doesn't seem to be coming out. Okay, well, let's hope for the best. We have a lovely color of gray here. And like I said, we made it with our custom gray because it was something we made using existing paints, a combination of existing paints. Okay, so we have with us today our colors that we're going to be using for our Dutch pour. This combination has not been used together, but they are familiar colors. This is the Mars Black, which is part of the base by Blickrylic. This is our metallic blue. We also have the Blick Titanium White, which is part of the base. And then we have Phthalo Blue by Loft. We also have Amsterdam Copper, along with Liquitex Basics Cobalt Blue, Loft Old Gold, and Loft Cerulean Blue. And our thought today is to have these colors, I believe there's about 8 of them, using them to create a design that will have negative space inside and out. So let's try it. And we'll have an extension there. And let's see, do we want to do, how about we do one here? Yeah, that's our black. And we're just going to layer these colors in the order that we introduce them to the canvas. And see where it takes us. Let's see, a little white. And then we will have more blue. And then our friend Copper. More blue. This is Cobalt Blue. And then we have our friend Gold, Old Gold. And then we have the Cerulean Blue. Okay, and we'll see what happens here after we torch. All right, let's see what we can do to make a design that we're happy with. How's that? No particular design in mind, just want to fill in negative space, both end up with negative space inside and outside. How's that? Let's try it. Wow, wow, wow. Very, very pretty. Wow, the cells here are just gorgeous. And they're just little segments of them, little sections that are kind of strategically placed, not an overabundance of cells. I'm going to take my little plastic stick that I use, some makeup stick, reusable. Don't have to use the wooden popsicle sticks, and it fits really nicely underneath the canvases, as you can wipe to eliminate the movement of the paint so that you can retain the design as much as possible. There will be some movement, of course, but not an inordinate amount, which is what you don't want. You don't want to have a lot of movement. You want that design to be as much intact as possible. So here's our light gray with a few air bubbles. You might try popping those. Don't want to do too much torching because it's not necessary, but I will say I'm very pleased with the black. Black can dominate, as you know, and putting it down first and putting those other colors on top really helped it to not take over, but to add that depth of color, just that needed color to help make this pop on top of a light gray. So pretty. Let me bring you in for a close-up. Okay everyone, we have our close-up of the 12 by 16 inch canvas with just one studio light on, which you'll see a little bit of glare, but I want to just give you a chance to see how pretty these cells are. The ones that developed, and look at the shimmer on top. That's coming from the metallic colors that have been added to the composition. The colors are so rich and vibrant, and the shimmer and shine is so beautiful. Look how that black came out. Really nice. Look at the cluster of cells that created there. And again here, nicely formed cells. Not too many, but definitely giving this design enough character to really make it stand out and make those other colors look so amazing. You can see the shimmer on top. I love this piece. I'm very, very pleased with it. I like how the colors merged together, how the shimmer and shine came together, making for a really spectacular design. There's that copper, so elegant, so radiant, shining right through the entire piece. And over on this side, we want to just see how those cells cluster together there with the shimmer and shine surrounding them. Beautiful, beautiful piece in terms of color composition. I love it. I'm happy with it. I hope you are too. Again, this is a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and it is a Dutch pour, and we are very pleased to have it with a combination of metallic colors and blues. thank you for joining me as always. Oh, and guys, if you haven't done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We really would love to have you a part of our art journey and to have the fun with us. Leave us a comment, let us know what you think. As always, keep loving your art. We'll see you again. Bye now.